Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, first of all, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once it is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then update. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command. In my case, the scan is already done. Paste the second command, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan, this scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473, and then click on search. Now on this page, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER, WinVer, and then click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Then check your system type. Go to system in Windows settings. Go to about option, and then check your system type. So for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and let the download complete. Click on KB5079473. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Now go to advanced option over here, scroll down, click on recovery, and here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.